Like I said, we will be dazzling up some eggs. So I will be using these paper mache eggs from Hobby Lobby, painting my eggs. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to be using this Daybreak. It's a real pretty yellow color. I'll be using that. That's from Folk Art. Okay, so that's what my egg looks like. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and let that dry for a minute. This other egg here, I'm going to use this real pretty, it's a matte finish. It's called Cottage Rose. Here is our egg. How pretty is that color? I love that color. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside for a second. This one I think is pretty dry. Let me make sure. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my egg here and I'm just taking some of these, y'all, these transfers. I got these transfers. You can use anything, but I like this. They have just little bitty flowers that I can choose from. I can just cut these up and put these, since these eggs are so small. I think pink. So you just merely just cut it out. So y'all, I'm just taking this and putting that right there on my egg. So that's what that egg looks like there. And I'm just going to continue embellishing this. Flower there. And I'm just going to continue on and embellish this. Okay, so we're looking like this with our little egg here. I like to seal them, and that color will just pop out when we seal it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And that's all we do is just one little layer of Mod Podge on there, and we're going to let that dry. And then we're going to take our other egg, y'all, and let's embellish it. I'm going to use some blue on this. Some flowers on that one. Isn't that pretty? And that's that. And we got that. And you can put as much as you want on here. I'm gonna leave a little space here because I'm gonna put my bling right here. I'm gonna put my bling there. So we are about to embellish these. I'm just going to seal that. Not at all. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a minute. So we're gonna start embellishing these. Let me see. Look at this green egg. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna put this little rose there. But there's our first one. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so this, I thought this one is going to be gorgeous. So here is that one. Isn't this one? That's pretty dry. Yellow. I'm gonna do this one. But look, oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. Okay, so we've got one more to do. Let me dry this a bit. I like this one. Now look at this one. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I like that. Look how pretty this egg is. I love it. So yes, here are our eggs. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. So what I was thinking is show you our little display here with our little eggs. Y'all, that is our little display with our little eggs. Y'all, these gigantic eggs you can get at Hobby Lobby, or actually I think you can get them at Walmart too. I just took this off. This is just styrofoam. So I just took this off, and you know, that's all that is. All right, so I'm just taking a piece of ribbon, any ribbon of your choice, any color. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It's just a pink ribbon. So I'm going to make a loop with this. So all I'm doing is kind of folding this in half, and I'm going to hot glue it. So this part is going to go down into my egg like that. Y'all, all I did was I took a piece of this ribbon, and I'm using the, oh my goodness, the rose gold bling wrap. So I just cut it to size of my ribbon. And so I'm just going to hot glue it down. So this is what we got so far, y'all. All right, now, y'all, I am going to put this bow, and I just made just a little simple bow with my ribbon, and I'm just gonna attach that onto there. Let me see. Okay, so y'all, this is what it looks like so far. Isn't that cute? So for the grand finale, y'all, look, I'm gonna be using this. Isn't that gorgeous? So I am going to apply that right there. Oh, look. How pretty is that? I will see y'all